In a sunlit backyard, a curious adventurer discovers a faded map hidden beneath a rock. With eager eyes, the young seeker studies the mysterious markings on the ancient map. Mapping out his journey, the brave wanderer marks a trail amidst the swirling maze of lines. Lost in the wild grass maze, the intrepid traveler pushes forward, undeterred by the looming blades. From above, a playful observer watches the young voyager with mischievous intent. As the heavens weep, the adventurer's map dissolves, leaving him stranded in a sea of lost paths. Sitting amidst faded dreams, the weary traveler ponders his lost way, seeking a glimmer of hope. With a heart renewed, the fearless wanderer rises, eyes set on the unseen horizon of possibilities. Through the thicket of unknowns, a twinkling star catches the seeker's eye, promising wonders untold. With hopeful heart and closed eyes, the dreamer makes a wish under the enchanted glow of a celestial visitor.